Subject pronouns are used to replace a noun acting as the subject of a sentence like I, you, he, she, and to avoid sounding like a 2-year-old by saying sentences like Johnny has a ball, Johnny likes the ball. The personal subject pronouns in Italian are io. This pronoun isn't capitalized unless it's the first word of a sentence. Tu. This form is used when speaking or writing to friends, family members, and among young people in general. Lui. Lei. Lei. It is used when addressing someone, male or female, with whom you are not on familiar terms with. It is followed by the third person singular of the verb and is normally capitalized to distinguish it from lei. Noi. Voi. This is the plural form of tu. Loro. Loro. It's the plural form of lei and is followed by the third person plural of the verb. These days, noi is more commonly used for the plural of tu and lei. In Italian, the subject pronoun is usually omitted before the verb, as nearly all the verbal forms can be recognized by their endings. However, these pronouns must be used in the following cases. For emphasis, io non parlo spagnolo. When there are two subjects in contrast, Carlo parla spagnolo, io parlo italiano. Or after the word anche. Roberto parla italiano, anch'io parlo italiano. It, used as a subject pronoun, is seldom expressed in Italian. Dov'è il giornale? È sopra il tavolo. Dov'è? Don't forget to like and subscribe and contact us for more information.